Welcome to Beer Drinkers. We're a show that every food lover and beer drinker is going to be talking about. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet and you like beer and food, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and that way you never miss a single exciting episode. Today we're going to show you how to make one of our favorite family recipes. You see, my Uncle Bill brought this recipe down from the frozen tundra of Lambeau Field down to the sunny, warm beaches of Florida. This thing's a crowd pleaser wherever you take it. I'll tell you what, these brats are awesome. Knopfwurst, Bratwurst, beer brats, whatever you want to call it. It's a treat. And the sauce, I'll tell you what, you can bottle it. It is so darn good. But don't take my word for it. You make the recipe. You give it a try. I'm sure it'll be a hit. So be sure to subscribe, share us with your friends. Remember, until next time, drink beer, mostly craft beer, but not too much. All right.